Hey guys, welcome. This is Robert from Hilton's Computer Repair. As you notice, you're actually seeing me probably for the first time officially here on YouTube. You may be finding me some other pages, or maybe you've seen me before on, let's say, laptop screen replacements. But regardless, I want to go ahead and go into details about what my subject is. I have been, as you notice, I've been made, and some of the videos and examples would be like Google Chrome or how to install any program or how to remove something. But one of the things that's been pain in the butt is that I'm seeing people that are pretending that they're fake tech support scammers. Some of them are claiming that they are Google, some of them are saying that they work with Microsoft, or some of them say they work with a company. So let me go ahead and switch over to show you. Here's one of them that I have here. It tells you 1-855-925-7079. And it's basically telling you that it's a helpline number. As you understand, this is telling forward to Google Chrome browser. Most of the time you won't have problems on a Google Chrome browser. Now if you're having problems and you're trying to install this, because I do have the videos that shows you, I need to let you all know, sadly. Google Chrome has stopped supporting Windows XP if you still have that. I'm not sure about Windows Vista, but for the rest, Google Chrome should be able to get to there. And if not, come to me and message me and I will show you how to get that Google Chrome. So this is a scammer that a person put right here. I have another one that I got here, right here, that's saying support number 1-888-828-5947. And this is again another Google Chrome website. Click the download and it tells you more details. And I think I have another one here going even farther. Here you go, facing kinds of technical issues like Google Chrome not working, password recovery, reset issues, install issues, and more. Do you see that selection right here? Install issues. Okay, that's hilarious. This is a new Google Chrome helpline number that is on 1-888-769-8221. As you notice, they are pretty bad typing. They left no spaces, and this is very bad on the sentence writing. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just, well, I think I've already have real quick. As you notice, this is one of their videos from Max Cooper, the one on the top. He has less than few videos, has 0 subscribers, and is basically not a real tech support. They'll be out there. Their stuff, usually they never talk. I'm going to open up another one just to see. And this is support number. They have 1 subscriber. It might be themselves. So let's go ahead and select one of them. They might talk, it could be possible, but let's give it a try. Like a Yahoo password reset. It has 3 views. They have a simple song in the background, and it looks like it might have been a recreated videos that might have been stolen from someone. That's possible. They do that also. That's another situation. Sometimes you make your video tutorials and it could be an excellent tutorial, and someone will steal that from you. Oh, here's a person talking. As you notice, I'm not being mean against this, but it does sound like they're coming from India. And that's how they have that accent on there. And you see, they're just going to do a scam trick. These aren't really that much other situations because they are tutorials. And technically, yes, they are showing you how to do a password reset and stuff, and that's correct. There's nothing wrong. But they all do it for point of sales. That's how their situation is. They have 1 subscriber here. Let me open up another one just to check out the other ones that are here. Customer help. And here are some of them that I love to see. This is one I probably opened already to show. They have no text at all. Well, it seems though, it had a name Peter. Maybe it is. They do not talk. They just use simple tutorials to contact them. You see they're trying out there an HP technical support to call this number. It's not even like engraved at all that they know that it's them. No words at all. This is just wonderful, guys. So, as you notice, they're just tech scammers. And just to be sure, if they've been bothering, pain in the butt, and tracing you, they say that they're an example like their customer support. Well, I think I might have already done like them for the first part. I showed that this one is from Max Cooper, and he's a helpline number. And so I went to Google and to check this out, and they're telling that they're a company called Bell South. They're not technically Bell South. We're gonna open up and see right here what they show us. They're saying that they're tech support here, and the information, there's no full verification that it's a full one. Their whole title on their Facebook page is literally called Bell Customer Service with their number, and then with the word phone number. Come on. Some people, they might be able to help you out, but you need to understand. As you know, there's two different names that have the same faces. They probably already set these up as fake examples for it. So you're seeing that, and they have another one that's called Roger's Email Technical Support from the same number. Let's see what it shows. They're making up, pretending that they're another company. Look at the beautiful same number. What? They have multiple companies with the same number? And there's another one that says that they're a Gmail full tech support number again. Let's check what this one shows. And all they do is they do scoops and they make this up. As you notice, look, here they are. They are a iTunes, MSN, Google's. They're all stuff that's being in here, and they are going to try and steal tech support. I'm going to tell you your best considerations. It's always best if you actually contact to a big company that's probably been there for a tech support versus something that you're just seeing here for it. Or to go to the most local nearest repair store. I know maybe you may not have the best computer repair store because they might rip you off in a way, but at least you'll have something that's full and they have the knowledge and they have repaired stuff before versus people are trying to. Now the whole point when they do this on these people that are tech supports is that they'll come to support and they might help you. Or let's say, and it may not have to pay nothing at all. But if it comes back again, let's say you're having another problem and you come to them, well eventually they're going to charge you. And the secret of this is mostly that they are trying to steal credit card transactions. That's basically the whole concept. They're going to try and get you anyway. So as you notice, all these YouTube videos are going to come to there on steps that are going to show me on it. Here they are from the comments. And all of these are just going to be pain. Let me actually real quick just add these to my block list. Actually, let me add these numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and put these numbers right here. That's one of my numbers. I can X that out. As you notice here, I am adding more phone numbers that have been calling me. Well, pretending that they're tech support that you can call them. Here's another one that I'm going to add to this list. Let me add another one that's in this list. Because they will come back. Look at all these numbers that have already came to me already. This has been... This is about maybe about a year, and I've already been getting these everywhere. And sometimes they're the same numbers. So let me go ahead and remove this one. And let me remove this one, because I don't need them to be viewable on those videos. And let's go to Held to Review and see what I have there. And here we are having another one from Held to Review. That one's probably because I added to this list to my block words. It's not really about words. So I'll go ahead and remove that comment. They won't need it. It's going to be blocked anyway. And let's see if I have any other ones. Like Lee Spam, the same situation right here. I'm going to see if I have that one. Do I have the 7079? Yes, I do. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that one too. As you notice, I get also the likely spam. It's all trying to make us sales or under reviews. Some people hate me, as you notice. And look, here's another one right here on customer help support on the bottom. You are facing kinds of technical supports. Let me delete that one too. Look, here's another one. Thank you for watching this video. If you have issues related, these are just all, and I'm getting these constantly. Okay. Right now, I really don't care about the other ones. So, as you notice, I add these to my list to block them. And I'm going to go to a little web page that I'll probably give you the link to. I'll show you. So here's a beautiful page here from Bleeping Computers. Information on tech support scams. This is going to be the first thing right here is going to tell you is that they're going to pretend that they have programs, they have websites, and even have phone calls saying that they can do some remote tech support scams. Don't believe them. They are trying to put you off on a ripoff. Regardless of methods used to scare you, or they may also tell you that your computer might be infected. Something. Here's a big list that's telling me right here that your computer has a virus. They'll make up little scams too. They'll tell you they're gonna do something like let me parse locations like resource monitor. I'm going to tell you that something performance is causing issues, or they're going to go to different apps and they're going to show you that it's going to basically fake. They're going to pretend like your computer's infected and it's nothing. It's regular diagnostic stuff like that. And as you notice, it's showing that it's Microsoft and Google pretending that it's them. And so it's not. It has been affected at tech support scams and have purchased services from them. I strongly suggest that you contact their credit card company and to dispute these charges. And there's this situation, like I said, most likely they're trying to make a sell profit. This is one of the situations that shows you about the scam phone calls. They may not contact you. That's one of them that, well, maybe you will get contacts from them saying that your computer's infected, or they'll tell you something like an example like your IRS, that you have not been connected to your system. Then you know IRS, they will not contact you. They would basically mail you, usually, for that situations. And they'll do other scams. They can do so much to trip people out. So this one tells me that's one of the oldest lists. As you know, they'll pretend they're Microsoft, Google, or any large company. And we saw that there's multiple large companies on that same number. I wonder what that is. And they can detect saying that there's malicious activity coming on your computer, and they can solve this problem. I love this because I've said some tricks to that before, telling me that my computer's infected, this and that. And I can let them go with it for a little bit. And they come into details on what happens is I actually have a Mac, so yes, they do have viruses, but it's very unlikely. So there's situations of trying to check and pretend like it's infected. They couldn't even show anything because they don't know how to do it. And here's their tricks right here. They'll tell you that it's TeamViewer. TeamViewer is an excellent, it's a great application that they use for tech support, and we use that ourselves. I've used it. It's useful for not just for personal use. It could be for commercials, and you can use this to remote your computers across and other situations like that. Log Me In other situations, you may have one that they may trick you saying that it's called like Log Me In Rescue. I think that's what it's called. I think it's Rescue or something related to that, that will pretend that that they're tech support, so they'll contact them. There's also Go to Assist, and there are probably many other ones that are out there for remote support. And they can literally do scams and have you scared that your computer is infected when it's most likely not. It could be something very simple. And here's their situations of telling you that you'll sell you costly for remote tech support for subscriptions for that. And then from that point, they might charge you additional for more fees for the service. This is a beautiful one that I get all the time, that lots of people come to me telling me that their computer's infected, that I don't know. Or you might get one saying like, warning, your computer's infected. So please contact this number. Again, this is another fake one, as you notice. This is a fake page. You probably mistyped something, or they could have put like a little ad that transferred it over. But here you go, making a wonderful pretending that they're a contact Windows technical toll-free number. And you know, guys, Windows will not do something like this. Microsoft won't do something like this. If it comes to a situation, they would probably do a patch to repair it without even telling you all. But one of the situations, it is being pain because you notice you're not infected. It's only being shown. Most likely, at the time like this, if the situation comes up, all you really have to do is probably just restart your computer. Simple as that. Now, if you're a little bit more savvy, you might know how to open up. Here it tells you right here to open up the task manager and open up the browser and terminate the process for it. And also, if you reopen up the browser, because the new browsers have changed, they usually remember what's last open and they'll prompt you that. Go ahead and press no on that, and that way you won't come to the same link. You can do a scan on your computer, but most likely it's just a fake system. This is another beautiful one. Be careful what they tell you on downloads that you do, okay? There's lots of apps that tell you like, here's the latest software, and here's the link for this one. Or you're looking for a specific program that they do not have anymore, or it's hard to find because it's very difficult. And they're going to tell you, here's the link that I found it for you. Go ahead and download it. And then you download it, and it could be in a zip file or something like that. Regardless, it's a file. And then you run it. And then your computer randomly could do nothing, and then it's time and restarts, or it could happen instantly. And this is one of them telling you that your computer is having suspicious activity found. To contact the 1-855-270-1376. That's a big old bullshit. And the following at risk is going to tell you have credit card information, Facebook chat history, login information, webcam images, Skype, email login information, bank login details. Now I'm going to laugh at this. I can literally probably go with this and tell them that, and tell them like I don't use credit cards. I'm old fashioned. Oh, I don't have a Facebook account. Oh, I don't trust going login. You can literally just be mean and just go to this. I don't have a Skype account. I don't use webcams. I have one. But you can make, dude, I'm sorry. I really love this because they all try and rip you off in those situations. But that's basically my whole subject today. I'm just trying to prevent you all for safety reasons and not to following if you get any of these links on my YouTube videos. That's simple as that. I'll probably give you more details and more explanations. There are some awesome cool people out here and I might probably link them here for you. And they show you how they're doing tech scams and they just go with it. They throw some tech guys on these YouTube videos will throw time, hours, just to be cruel to other scammers. It's what it is, because if they want to throw their time for this for people that are basically ripping them off and stealing their credit card information, stuff like that, I would say go for it. But either way, thank you for watching from Hilton's Computer Repair, and I'll see you on our next video.